Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video here on Rebel Trading. So if you're looking for a profitable 1-minute scalping strategy, you come to the right place. Quite a few of my viewers have been requesting specifically strategies on the 1-minute time frame. So we're going to be back testing this one that I found so that we can see how truly profitable it is. So be sure to stick around to the end and so we can see the results. The strategy seems to work on crypto, Forex, and stocks, but I'm going to be trying it on the British pound Japanese yen trading pair. So we're going to go up here and click on indicators. The first indicator that we're going to be using is the negative volume index. It's going to be the very first one in brackets. The second indicator that we're going to be using is the RSI. So we got our indicators pulled up and we do not need to do anything at all with the settings. Very basic strategy. So how the negative volume index works is it identifies smart money and retail money going in and out. So whenever this red line is trending above this blue line, which is a 255 EMA, 90% of the time we have bullish price action. Unfortunately, it doesn't work as good for the bearish price action, so for this strategy, we're only going to be looking for long trades. If you have trouble identifying whether or not the price action is above the blue line, you can either avoid the trade and wait, or you can hover above with the cross marker and it'll have the numbers to the very left. So we want to see the red number higher than the blue. After this happens, you're going to wait for the bar to close, and if the RSI is above the 50 level, we can take our long position. So I set the stop loss a few points down below the most recent swing low position. You can take partial profit at the 1 risk reward ratio, and to reduce the risk, move the stop loss up. After that, you can take the remainder of the position at the 1.5 risk reward ratio. So we got our first winning trade right here. Of course, sometimes being a 1-minute scalping strategy, sometimes they cross over each other repeatedly. So you can take an additional long position whenever this occurs. So once again, we can see the red line is crossing above the blue. If the RSI is above the 50 level at the close of the candle, we can take a long position. Stop loss a few points below the swing low, and again with the 1.5 risk reward ratio, we quickly hit our profit target. Something very important while using the strategy, as well as all scalping strategies, especially on the 1-minute time frame, you always want to use proper risk management and only risk 1 to 2% for each one of these trades. You can very rapidly blow your account if you do not use proper risk management. But with the 1.5 risk reward ratio, you will be making very good gains while using the strategy. If you see a lot of doji candles appearing, usually it's best to avoid the trade as well, because you do not want to add unnecessary risk associated with the account. All right, again, we can see that we have the red line crossing above the blue, and the RSI level is above 50, so we can take our next long position. And we once again hit our profit. So one of the main reasons why I chose the British pound Japanese yen is that usually Japanese yen pairs tend to trend a longer time. So if it's in an uptrend, you'll see a lot more long positions. All right, so I'm going to pull out my backtesting software and we're going to see truly how profitable this strategy is. Stick around to the end and see what we find out. All right, so now for the results. We have over a 70% win rate, a 42% P&L. Of course, this is out of 50 trades. Something that really helped, of course, was the consecutive wins. We did run into some consecutive losses earlier on in the back testing. All I gotta say is, holy hell, I was really not expecting this. Again, this is on the GJ pair, so it worked a lot when it was in an uptrend. I would say something that might improve this strategy is adding alerts to it, because there were a handful of times where it was trending and the red and blue lines did not cross over for a period of time. So you had to sit there and wait for long periods before an actual legitimate trade would pop up. So yeah, please be sure to try out this strategy. Let me know any thoughts or improvements that you think I can make. I'm definitely going to be back testing this same strategy on some different assets. Please, if you guys like this video, smash that like button. I really enjoyed making this one today. Go ahead and check out the comments section for the link to our Telegram channel. Again, it's free to join in, so you guys got nothing to lose by checking it out. Trade smart, trade good, and I'll see you guys in the next video.